Today we are again discussing the geographical terms. Epicenter, it is the point on the surface of Earth that is vertically above the origin point or seismic focus of an earthquake. At this point, the earthquake vibration first reaches the surface and then goes outwards. If the time of arrival of the earthquake is calculated for several different places, the position of the epicenter can generally be determined. Equatorial rainforests. Here is a picture of Amazon. These forests lie within about 7-degree latitude north and south of the equator, having constant rainfall, and are found mainly in Congo Basin, Amazon Basin, and parts of Indonesia. The main characteristic is the profusion and variety of species and a distinctive layered arrangement having a canopy or upper layer of foliage. Since there is no climate change of seasons, the general aspect of these forests is uniform greenness, and most valuable trees and animals are found here. Glaciers. A glacier is an ice mass that moves slowly down a valley from above the snow line towards the sea due to gravitational force. It is formed due to the pressure of the immense snow depth that depresses the freezing point. The snow in the lower layers therefore melts and then solidifies again into granular ice, which is later transformed by the continued pressures into clear ice. From the snowfield where it generally originates, the glaciers may extend far below the snow line. At its source, there is an abundant supply of ice and melting is slow. The glacier is thus broad and deep. Lower down of temperatures are higher and the supply of ice is less. The glacier therefore decreases in size till the amount of melting of ice equals the supply from above. Then the glacier ends. Usually the glacier is tongue shaped, broadest near its source and narrowest where it finishes. Its shape also conforms to that of the valley wherein it lies. It curves with the valley and to some extent its surface follows that of the floor of the valley. The center of the glacier is generally higher than its sides and the cross section of its surface is slightly convex. The surface is often uneven and surface is slightly convex and sometimes cut by deep cracks. One reason of the unevenness of the surface of the top layer melting of the ice during the summer when